Cyber Eagle is a project that we have initiated, which seeks to solve some of these challenges related to critical infrastructure using a vetted partner network and a how do we say this, AI proactive marketplaces is one of the terms we use, but really what it means is we're using AI in order to scan and prioritize critical infrastructure vulnerabilities in the small to medium-sized critical infrastructure sector. Why is this so important? Well, that's because that's the type of entities that do not have the budgets, that do not have the resources to protect themselves appropriately. It's one thing if you're a giant like telco, yes, you have your teams, you have everything in place, but the reality is, and this is what we're seeing, I think, a lot of those recent cyber events, what happens if you are a small water utility in a city somewhere in the Midwest? Oh, you might say, well, why would we care
about West Texas, Moleshoe, go ahead.
Exactly, right? It's like, well, why would I care about this? Well, because that's 60,000 American lives, potentially.
All right.
We went to war over September 11th. What happens if they get it right, our opponents? What happens if one of these attacks eventually succeeds against a city of 70,000? Right, and I think this is where Cyber Eagle, by going in and helping them kind of like a force multiplier to protect themselves better, to be aware of their own security posture, and then connecting them to a vetted network of solution providers and entities that can help them address those challenges that they have, and potentially even connect them with funding is incredibly valuable.